Good afternoon. I'm Mark, and we are M Amusements. We are here at Conneaut Lake Park in Conneautville, Pennsylvania. This park is really starting to boom alive. This is also our last stop on this trip, and we are so glad to see people booming into this park. Last time we were here, which was about, sweetie, about 3-4 years ago, there's really hardly a soul here. So this park is really starting to come alive again, which is a good thing. We're going to get on the Blue Street coaster here, which we also didn't get on the last time because it was down due to track work. So we're starting to see a lot more people come in. So yeah, lots of neat things happening. So we'll catch you in the park, folks. Crap. Okay, so we're heading down to the Blue Street to get my 99th credit, but this Midway is booming with people. Last time, sweetie, we were here, hardly a soul walking down this path. So we're really looking forward to it. Oh, we're coming up on the Blue Street on the right up here. But we gotta get her all-day ride band first, and then we'll get on it. Look at that line, all right. That isn't devotion. I don't know what is. It's Alright. Well, we'll be, yeah. This is pretty cool looking. Just got the old standard Midway rides. Got a tumble bug. This is what we like to see, people. This is what helps a small park like this out when people were buying these tickets. And we learned it was a half price off day for all day ride band for our ticket price. So that's probably why this place is just booming with people today. So it looks like that train is awaiting restoration. Okay, so that's a wrap on our upstate New York, Pennsylvania tour. We hit some great small parks. We hit in Seabreeze. We hit in Darien Lake. We hit in, well, Darien isn't really small. But we hit in Fantasy Island, which was an unplanned stop. We hit in Waldemere in this park. So yeah, we had a good full trip. I think Seabreeze is probably my favorite stop, and this park as well. We've had some great times here. But I got my 99th credit in on Blue Streaks. I'm really happy with that. So 100, here I come. Yes, I'm bragging again. But no, this is really great. And this park, like Waldemere yesterday, was really crowded. So again, this is music to our ears, what we saw today. So we're really excited to get some content out to you guys here in the next month. So again, that's M&N Amusements. We're signing off for our major trip for 2019.